We are here at the Branson Veterans Memorial Garden. There are a lot of cars going by, so you may not be able, it may be extra loud, but we wanted to just do a video and show you. This is free. You just pull in, you know, look at everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. They're expanding all the time. And of course, this is all done on donation down in Branson. It's by one of the stoplights. I'll try and zoom in on a few of the features they've gotten here. It's about 3 or 4 tiers, I guess, right now. They got this beautiful butterfly here with the flag, and then it's got the eagle going across it. They've got flags scattered throughout, and then they've got signs as well. It looks like you can also donate, like if you want to do it in someone's name. Here's their website here, veteransmemorialgarden.com. I'm going to walk on down, and then we can walk on up through some of the tiers and let you see. I mean, it is just, there's no weeds in here. It is just absolutely gorgeous. We've always said we're gonna stop when we come by, and we weren't sure how to get back in this area. But anyway, we stopped today to figure it out. It's very easy. Just take the street right before it. And then here's a sign about what a veteran is. Let me zoom in on that for you. Says a veteran is someone who one time in their life wrote their country a blank check for payment up to and including the cost of their lives. The garden is dedicated to those gallant men and women. And that is so true, because even when you get out of the military, your body feels it for really the rest of your life, as well as your mind. It's a beautiful eagle they've got up on a ball. Here's a watering can they've got going down into a pool of water. Beautiful flower pot here. The statue that they've got in the back, I'll get a little closer to it as I get up closer, but it is absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's go on down, and we'll go up the stairs, and oh, let me get this butterfly in here. It's another beautiful, beautiful butterfly. And then it goes on down and around. And you can see just how close the street is. It's on the corner of West 76 Country Boulevard and Roark Valley in Branson. So let's go up the steps here and let you see what's up here. Here's a really close picture of the statue that they've got up here at the top. Flag just looks beautiful blowing in the background like that. Okay, I want to show you these lilies down here. Got a nice little sitting spot here. Again, we are in Branson, Missouri, at the Veterans Memorial Garden. They've got a lot of hydrangea plants in here. They've not bloomed yet, but I'm sure they're going to be beautiful when they do. We'll get you down here to these lilies. Oh, here's some beautiful straw flowers. It's so green. Anyway, here's their lilies. I just thought these were absolutely gorgeous. I call them tiger lilies. My grandma used to always have a bunch of them, and that's what we always call them, is tiger lilies. They're so pretty. They've got that color, and then they've got this color mixed in. Some daylilies getting ready to bloom. All right, let's come around, and you got another bench to sit down there with. A few little zinnias they've got here. Zinnias, I love zinnias. Beautiful cut flowers. They're so easy to raise. You can see back here in the back where they are expanding all the way back in there. This is definitely a labor of love for all the people who volunteer down here to keep this looking like it looks. All right, just a pathway here of foliage mostly. There's another, it's created by Blossoms of Branson. Lots of hostas in here, some impatiens. Here's a courtyard area that they've got set up. It's called a place of peace and pride. I think that's absolutely gorgeous here. They've got some beautiful impatiens here. Okay, we are about to go on out. I'll take you over to the gazebo area that they've got. Mom is sitting over at the gazebo. She's already walked through, and she decided she'd just let me do the filming and just sit where she was comfortable. Okay. Okay, Mom wants me to show you the black flower here.
The red white star.
Oh, that's some type of a, looks like a New Guinea impatient.
And then look, the yellow ones there.
Yeah, the moss. Those are
the little
so
tiny
pretty.
purple ones.
Oh, those are tiny, teeny tiny. Okay, so you've got this gazebo up here made of like wrought iron. And then I want to show you this area over here. It's got the cross.
Oh, yeah.
And then here's another one of the plaques that they have here.
That last one we had freedom in California.
And then from right here, you can see the Branson, off in the distance, you can see the Branson Tower there. I don't know if you guys can make it out or not, but let me show you this, and then we'll be about done. It's got the cross, and then it's got the boots with the weapon, and then the cavalier. And then it's got a plaque over here, but I don't know that you're going to be able to read this because it does look like it's in a bronze. I don't know that you're going to be able to read that. But anyway, if you're in Branson and you get a chance to stop here, like I said, it's free. It's all ran volunteer and on private funds, donations. Then certainly do, because it is so worth the 30 minutes that you'll spend here, you know, looking at all of the beautiful things that they've got to offer. down here on Lake Taneycomo and just watching the geese and the ducks for a little bit, mostly ducks. A few pigeons down here too. Anyway, it's rained off and on today, but it's turning out to really be beautiful. Yeah, they don't want to miss out on food.